Question number 15, let me write. Cot 4x sin 5x plus sin 3x equals to cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x, okay, minus sin 3x. You want to prove LHS equals to RHS. So for proving, either you can take LHS side, left hand side, and you can prove right hand side, or if you can prove the complete expression, that is also one of the way to prove. Okay, here if you take LHS left hand side and simplify it, cot 4x sin 5x sin 3x, okay. Cot 4x means break in cos and sin. What is cot theta? Cos theta upon sin theta. So it would be cos 4x upon sin 4x. And here we will apply sin C plus sin D rule. What is sin C plus sin D? Recall. Sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, okay. So apply here 2 sin C plus D means first add and do half. So 5x plus 3x 8x, 8x upon 2 4x, okay, follow me. 5x plus 3x, first add and then do half. 5 plus 3 8, 8 upon 2 4x into cos, okay, 5x minus 3x 2x and 2x upon 2 1, only x, okay. Now you can see this sin 4x and this sin 4x cancel, correct. Then what is the remaining part? 2 cos 4x and cos x, okay. But right hand side is also cot 4x sin C minus sin D, okay. We will leave this here and now we will solve right hand side. If right hand side also comes this, then we can say both are equal, correct. Now take RHS, right hand side. Cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. Cot means cos x upon sin x. Here sin C minus sin D rule. What is sin C minus sin D? Recall, sin C minus sin D. So 2 cos first, sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into C minus D by 2. Apply here 2 cos C plus D by 2. So C plus D means 5x plus 3x, 8x upon 2 4x, okay, into sin 5 minus 3 2x upon 2 half, x only, okay. Then this sin x and sin x cancel, so remaining 2 cos 4x into cos x. Can you see first equation, second equation same, and first means LHS and second means RHS. So from equation 1 equation 2 both are equal. Then you can say from equation 1 and 2, okay, LHS equals to RHS, okay, hence proved, okay. In the side you have write formula use, okay, we have used this formula, okay. In the side draw one line and then you can write formula used to prove this question. Note. See question number 16, okay. Question number 16, left hand side cos 9x minus cos 5x, okay, sin 17x minus sin 3x, and you have to prove equals to minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. Left hand side cos 9x, okay, minus cos 5x upon sine 17x minus sine 3x. Okay, RHS is minus sine 2x upon cos 10x. Then how to do this? Okay, how to do? You should know. If formula, you should apply formula. Can you apply formula upside? Which formula is cos c minus cos d, and here sin c minus sin d. What is cos c minus cos d? Can you write here? Okay, can you write here cos c minus cos d formula, and then sin c minus sin d formula? Cos c minus cos d is 2, both sin cos c minus cos d, both are sin, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin, either write d minus c, but if I write sin c minus d, then here minus, correct na? Write d minus c, then no minus here, but if c minus d, then minus here, because in right hand side also one minus extra, correct? Sin c minus sin d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin. Okay, so after applying this, what is now LHS? Cos c minus cos d, upside we are applying cos c minus cos d. So 2 sin, add and half, add the angles and then do half. First write like this, 9x plus 7x upon 2 into sin, and here minus. Okay, sin 9x minus downside sin c minus sin d is 2 cos, okay, 9x plus 7x upon 2 into cos 9x minus 17 here, not 9, yes 17, 17x plus 3x here, 17 here sin 17x minus 3x upon 2. Okay, now simplify. This 2 cancel first of all, correct? 2 cancel, then here minus sin. When you simplify, so 9 plus 7, 14 upon 2. So whatever I was saying, I was skipping this step. Okay, 17 upon 2, 7x, and this is 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7, 5, 9 minus 7, 1 minute, oh my god, here it is 5x, here we are doing now 5x, okay, you said that's why, 9x plus 5x, correct, it is plus 5x, here, yes. Now tell me, 9, 5, 14 upon 2, 7, 9 minus 5, 4, 4 upon 2, 2, sin 2x upon cos 17 and 3, 20, 20 upon 2, 10, cos 10x into sin 17 minus 3, 7x. Then cancel, if cancel, this cancel, remaining minus sin 2x upon cos 10x, and which is your right hand side? Came answer, minus sin 2x by cos 10x. It is what? Right hand side. Okay, hence proved. See this question number 17. 17 also you can feel now. Here numerator you can apply sin c plus sin d, and here cos c plus cos d. Left hand side of 17, sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x. Okay, now whatever formula you want to use, write. Which formula you want to use? Sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. Again write formula, so that formula will be Okay, we know that sine c plus sine d. Okay, 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and then we want to apply cos c plus cos d also. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos. Okay, when you write in every problem, when you write the formula, okay, and this is the actual way to solve the problem. Okay, whatever formula you want to use, you have to state in the exam. Okay, when you write every time formula, that formula automatically will be revised, na? They will be set in your mind. Now apply the formula. Then now LHS sin c plus sin d, 2 sin, add first 5x plus 3x upon 2, and then 5x minus 3x upon 2 here upon 2 cos 5x plus 3x upon 2 into cos 5x minus 3x upon 2. Okay, I am writing here, but you should write here because of space. Then 2 to cancel, first of all 2 to cancel, solve, simplify. Sin 5 3 8 by 2 4 sin 4x into cos x upon cos 4x into cos x. After simplification, cos and cos also cancel. So sin 4 upon cos 4, what is this? Tan 4x, and tan 4x is your right hand side, RHS. Okay, proved. Okay, 20 17 or 18. Okay, 18 sin, what is left hand side? Sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y. Okay, see, you want 10 means sin upon cos. Again upside you can apply sin c minus sin d, and here cos c plus cos d. Okay, write again. Write again formula. Do not get bored of writing again and again. Okay, sin c, these will give you marks. Sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin cos c plus cos d into cos. Okay, now let's just apply the formula. So sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d, c is x and d is y, so it will be x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 upon cos c plus cos d, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos. Cancel now, same, it is already simplified, correct? 2 cancel, this 2 cancel, and this is also same, cos x plus y, this. So remaining sin x minus y upon 2, cos x minus y upon 2, same angle same, sin upon cos is 10, so it is what? 10 x minus RHS came. Okay, proved. In the 19 also very clear, no confusion. Numerator sin c plus sin d, denominator cos c plus cos d. Okay, so I shall give this as homework. Question number 19 is your homework. Tomorrow you can show me. I will do 20. In the 20, see left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side, sin x minus sin 3x, sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x, okay, and right hand side is 2 sin x, 2 sin x. You want to prove this left hand side after simplification should be 2 sin x, okay. Then what to do in numerator? Okay, in numerator sin c minus sin d is applicable, correct, and denominator cos 2x. It is not cos 2x, is cos square x minus sin square x, but here sin square x minus cos square x, okay? Sin square x minus cos square x. So, but if you take minus common, then it will be cos 2x formula. So, firstly, from numerator also take minus common. Why? Because when you do c minus d, so if big angle is first, then you will not get negative angle, na? Minus common, it is sin 3x minus sin x. Why I took minus common? Because I know when I apply the formula c plus d, no problem, x plus 3x is 4, but when I do c minus d, x minus 3x, I will get minus 2x. So, to avoid that negative sign, I have taken minus common from numerator. After that, I will apply formula. Here also minus I am taking common, here minus common here. Then here denominator part cos square x minus sin square x, okay, and after that this minus cancel out, okay. Now which formula we will use? Here in the numerator sin c minus sin d. Now you can again write whatever you are using. You are using sin c minus sin d, and this is again 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. In denominator cos 2x formula, cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Do you know if here plus, then it is 1, correct na? Cos square x plus sin square x is 1, but if minus, then cos 2x. After that, what is your left hand side remaining? Apply minus cancel already. Sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d. So 3x plus x by 2 into sin 3x minus x by 2 upon cos 2x, okay, cos 2x. Simplify 2 it is 3x plus x, 4x upon 2, 2x. So 2 cos 2x, and here sin 3x minus x, 2x upon 2 sin x only upon cos 2x, okay, cos 2x. Now you can see cos 2 and cos 2 cancel, okay. You just follow the step, one step after the other step. Now 2 sin x, and this is your right hand side, came equals to 2 sin x, which is your right hand side. So 2.